What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure to join the fam. Drop a fat like, comment, subscribe if you guys are enjoying the videos. Truly do appreciate it. I do appreciate all the comments and love that everybody's been showing me. And today we're actually back for another install video. I had super fun doing the last install on my car with my dad, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. As you guys saw by the beginning of the video, we got like one huge package and a little package, and by the title I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna know what I'm gonna be installing. But other than that, let's get right into the install. All right, you guys, so in the packages, as y'all can see right here, we got this huge package. It's honestly like taller than me, and I'm like 6'4", so like imagine how tall this thing is. So we got that huge package, which is the main splitter, but the thing is it's super light, so it's not heavy at all. Then we got a little package that I ordered, an extra little piece on the side, so it's gonna add a little bit like more aggressiveness to the front. I already feel like it looks pretty aggressive, but I feel like with this little thing, it's not part of like the whole, I wasn't gonna make a whole separate video on it because it's like super small, but I think it does make a difference. So those, actually the small ones are like, so this is the splitter, this is the whole front splitter, and then these are like little like winglets that go under the fog lights. I'll show you guys right now in the car, but they go under the fog lights, and it just like it looks like a little bit more aero kind of. And I mean, they were super cheap, so I was like, why not pick them up? And I saw another YouTuber do it on his car, and that's why I really fell in love with it. And I think it was just like a good price. The splitter wasn't that expensive, and these were like 30 bucks. So right now when we unbox everything, I'll show you guys what they are, and I will make sure to link them down in the description if you guys do want to grab yourself a pair. I think it looks honestly pretty sick. If you guys don't want to grab like a huge whole front end conversion right now right away, if it's too expensive, I feel like this is honestly like the way better route, and that's the way I'm taking it. Like I think this is like a very easier like install and way cheaper too. Like it was honestly like not that bad, and for a whole front like bumper conversion, it's almost like $1,000. So like I was like, nah, I'm not trying to spend that right now. I'll probably just do this for the meantime, and in the future if I want to do the whole front end bumper conversion, then I'll do it. But I think this is gonna look super dope. So the car is in the back already in the driveway, probably jacked up by now. We're gonna probably jack it up, and let's just get to unboxing the boxes. So guys, these are like the little winglets that I said on the little package. These are the ones that are actually gonna go like right here on the bottom of the fog lights. So they give it just like, it's just like a little extra thing to give it like a more aggressive look. But we unbox this one, and this, guys, is the main splitter, and the bolts are gonna be in there, so y'all can see. See this one, ahí están los bolts adentro. So y'all can see this is the main piece that we got, which is like the PP2, the Performance Pack 2 splitter. This one is just the Performance Pack 1, so it actually goes under, and it just gives it like a way more aggressive look. Put that right there, and then we have the bolts right there that it comes with. And I think this should be a pretty simple install. We're just gonna jack up the car right now and get to work. So let's get it. Y'all can see we have it jacked up. Pretty good space. Make sure to give yourself good amount of space to obviously be drilling, so it's not too, we could have honestly done it without jacking it up too, but it was a little too low, so we would all be a little cramped up. So it's best to just jack it up, get more comfortable. And now let's get the splitter. pretty big splitter, and that's the one that's gonna go right under this one, so it's gonna give it a way more aggressive look. We were lining them up right now, trying to see just like how they would go, and looks like they actually line up. You're actually supposed to put those in, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like one bolt right here, one bolt right there, and there's like two, and then the rest you obviously just bolt on, but those two you line them up, these two bolts, and the same thing on the other ones. But then these are the ones that just get screwed on. It's like that one, those, and those. We're gonna go get it, and then we're gonna do it. I think it's gonna look pretty dope. Like, I'm already getting like, see, you can kind of see, if it was on there. It looks good. And imagine it lower too, guys. Like, it's gonna look nice. Yeah. So we got the screws, and now this is where you put the other screws that it comes with in the little bag. Has it right there. This one is pretty easy. Just put it through the thing. And you see that there's a bunch right there. And you guys could already kind of see how the splitter's looking like. I think this looks so good. It looks so good for the price. I think it's definitely worth it. You are gonna have to drill into this one, but I mean that's fine because it's gonna be on the bottom. If you guys want to grab this piece, just letting you guys know, obviously. And yeah, I will link them down in the description. So then these are like the little winglets, so it's gonna basically look like kind of like that. Y'all can kind of get like a figure. Has like a little carbon fiber type of finish, so you'll see like a gloss carbon fiber, and I think it's gonna look good. It's not too hard. This is just 3M tape. Then yeah, we're just drilling these on right now. I'm gonna probably get these. My dad's gonna get the ones over there. So it shouldn't take long. So let's see. All right, you guys, so finish that side, and the splitter is on. It is not coming off. I was thinking of putting some 3M tape just to secure even more, but this is not moving. But here it is, guys. I'll for sure show you guys right now in the light how it looks. I'm just trying to show you guys how it looks from like right now. Lighting's not the best, but now we're gonna put on these, and these are like super easy. Go right there. Just gonna go like this, get them, take off the tape, and put them like that. So I didn't want to make a whole separate video, just put these together because super simple. But let me just crank this out real quick, pick you guys up when I'm done. All right, so got one side done, super easy. 3M tape. I am gonna take this little bit off though, because there is like an extra. We'll try to take it off somehow because I don't like how it looks. But I mean, this is locked in, so let's go get the other side. Both sides are done now. The car is lowered at its normal height, and I think it looks good. This can't really tell on this camera, but it looks good. I am gonna go move it right now up in the front so you guys can actually see it, and then I will obviously show you guys how it looks at night. I like going to the little gas station and showing you guys how it looks under the lights. But I feel like this is definitely worth it if you guys don't want to get a whole front face conversion. Getting these and then getting this splitter, see if it pops up there. There you go. Getting this and this is totally worth it. I'll have the link in the description. It's not too expensive. So I think it's honestly worth the money, instead of doing that whole thing right if you don't want to do that right away. And I honestly love it. I love how it looks. It looks so more aggressive, just the camera's not picking it up. But let's go move it. Moved it up front, and this is how it looks. Hopefully camera's picking it up good. Guys, it looks so much better. I don't know why the camera's not picking it up, but this splitter and this makes such a huge difference. Just by looking at it from here, looks so good. Look at that. Let's see if it can. Coming along, guys. It's coming along super nicely. I don't know, I feel like on camera it's not getting exactly how like it looks, but it looks so much better. It looks like my car actually got lower, but as y'all see, it's still stock height. But man, this looks good, guys. This looks so good. Definitely worth the money if you guys want to do this. Look at that. But anyways, guys, so finished the install, and I'm actually gonna be getting ready right now. I'm gonna shower, change, because I have to go to work right now in a little bit, so I'm gonna go do that. But I'll pick you guys after work, go to a gas station, so you guys can hopefully kind of pick it up a little more how it looks, because I don't think it's picking it up right now. But yeah, so let's do that. Pick you guys up in a bit. So I just got off work, just like I promised. I came to the gas station to show you guys how it looks, see if you guys can get like a better view. I still feel like you guys can't, probably. It's not the best camera. Definitely the camera is not picking it up how it looks, but like it looks so good. Like I love this little piece of carbon. Like this splitter is just like a simple splitter, and it makes the whole front end like look so much meaner, and like definitely worth it, guys. I love this. Like it was such an easy install. You shouldn't take longer than like 30 to like an hour, 30 minutes to like an hour. Simple install, you're done, and it makes a huge difference. I don't know if it like can kind of get it, but I love this. And then like what future stuff like I have planned to do still on the grill, and I feel like it's gonna look so much better. It's all gonna tie up so good, and like I'm just super excited. I was like super excited when I got the notification that my package was delivered, and we did it, guys. But like I said earlier, I will have everything linked in the description if you guys want to go pick yourself some of this stuff up. It's honestly super cheap. Like this one was like 20-30 bucks, and then this one's like a little more pricey, but it's like 110, I believe, like 110, and then plus like a little bit on shipping. But that's honestly not, in my opinion, I feel like that's not a lot compared to like other splitters. Other splitters like go for like 300, 400, and I mean this is a pretty simple splitter too, so you know, it can't be that expensive. But yes, I will have everything linked in the description. Let me know if you guys like it. Comment like, what do you guys think? Hopefully the camera picks it up good. But I just want to say thank you guys. If you guys are still tuning in, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. I'm so, like I said earlier, I'm so motivated to keep doing stuff like this, vlogs. I love doing all of it, editing. So yeah, guys, let's just see where we could go with this. But I'll see you on the next time. Peace.